So over here, you can see that I have a Figjam file. And if I were to go around over here into the menu and go to edit, you can see that there are various options right here. So we have already looked at copy as PNG in the previous lesson, but over here, you can see that there's different options like paste over selection and so forth. So if I were to go around right here and copy this out, I can go around anywhere, click any of the item, and then go around, go to edit, click on paste over selection, and that item will be pasted over here, as you can see. Similarly, you got different options. So you can select out any object and you can go around into edit, duplicate that object out. You can go around over here, delete that object out as well. And you can go around, select everything, as you can see, click and drag around to select a certain portion. And you can go around and select none over here as well. Similarly, you can select out a portion, you can go to edit and you can select out inverse as well. So that is deselected and everything else is selected right here. And those are the edit options that you can use for selecting and copying and pasting different objects inside of a Figjam file. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.